This is a time for you to just take a step. Not back, not front, not preparations. Just take a step. A step of feel of see of I love you. That's what you say to yourself. I love you. Nobody's going to take anything away from you. Do not panic about not being able to go to work. Do not panic about what if. What if? Leave what if alone. I know what if. What if I tell you about what if? The story and stories of what if is if. Now let me tell you about somebody I know. Blind Faith. I want a blind Faith. Joe Blind. She is like Thwaaaaaaa of the Thwaaaaaarest. Blind Faith, she sees a stick, she thinks, stick says, talk to me. She doesn't ask stick says, stick, why you talk to me, stick, eh? Stick, you must stick, man, you're a stick, why are you talking? Blind Faith goes like, okay, stick, what next? Stick says, take me there, put me next to soil, put some garlic, put something, put some seed. Make some art, living art. Create a world within a world to enhance another world into other worlds. United. Twa, baby. Mwah. Little garden coming along. And shape. You know, there's nothing called like it should be done like this. You feel it, it wants you, you just take it, you put it inside you, and you make love to it, and you touch it and touch it and touch it, and you feel the hurrah of it, and the hurrah, and then you put some seed inside it, and then kwacha, plant, eat. Twa.